Back with a tasty recipe to share.
All right, we're back with one of my favorite segments of the week, and that is the cooking segment that we do with our Common Ground volunteers. Joining me again now is Denise McAfee, and you have a recipe for us today. Tell us a little more about it.
Okay, I'm going to make Cornflake Peanut Butter Bars. So it's pretty easy. It's kind of like Scotcheroos, only it's got cornflakes in it instead. And I think kind of the fun thing about it, it's got 3 ingredients that have corn in it. It's got cornflakes that has corn. It's got marshmallows that have corn syrup in them. And then there's also just light corn syrup also in the recipe. So I've already put 1 cup of light corn syrup in my kettle. And I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar. And we're going to bring it just to, a nice slight boil, and boil it for like 1 minute. And then into this, we're going to add 6 cups of cornflakes we added to it. And so now we're just going to gently stir that up until everything is coated. So now it's ready to go into a buttered pan. So then we're just going to press it into our pan. Now we're going to take a cup of marshmallows, and actually it's a very liberal cup of marshmallows, so you can put on more. And you just sprinkle those on top, and then a cup of chocolate chips, and then we're going to put in the oven under the broiler. And that's going to puff up our marshmallows and brown them a little bit. So there we go. It's gotten a little bit toasty. So now we're just going to take our knife, kind of swirl it all around. There. That's all there really is to it.
All right, Denise, thank you very much for sharing that with our audience.
You're welcome.